Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Kaspersky free antivirus on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not available on the Microsoft Store. I have checked it. Okay, so here's what you have to do. Open your browser, search for it, scroll down till you find the free antivirus download option. Okay, let it load and make sure that it loads. Okay, and then you can download the free version here. Okay, the Kaspersky free antivirus. I should also tell you that there is a standard version which is free for 30 days. You can consider that one as well. But for now, we are downloading the Kaspersky free antivirus for your Windows computer. Okay, you can confirm this, and then accept, and then click on accept again, and then on accept once again. So this is all you need to do to install the Kaspersky free antivirus. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.